just walked through the door, and this is room 268. It is a premium room. Here is the bed. You have the nightstands, very tall ceilings. Here is the desk. We are staying at the Anantara Palazzo Naiadi in Rome, Italy. Here is the espresso coffee maker with the complimentary water bottles. And here are some tea, drinking glassware, cookies, chips, kind of like the mini bar area here. Complimentary tea is down there, hot water, ice bucket. On this nightstand, here are the settings for your lights, remote control. Here is the TV. This is the view from this room here. Not the prettiest view. Look at the details. It's beautiful. Here is the carpet. And here is the bathroom. There is the shower. The shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. Here's your bathtub. Your bathrobe towels. Here is your vanity. More towels. A soap bar, sewing kit, shower cap, a comb, body lotion, some glasses, your tissue box, a smaller mirror. Here are the toilets. This is the tile in the bathroom. Here is the closet, the hangers, a bag, slippers, laundry bag, shoes bag, a safe, and some drawers. Here is the room's thermostat, and you insert your key card into the slot to start up the room's air conditioner and lights. You're gonna see the outdoor pool. Here's the gym and the walkway to the spa area. And through those doors is the rooftop pool and scene restaurant. Beautiful views. Seen by Oliver. Look at how cute the bar is. Here is the rooftop bar, and look at the beautiful views of Rome. Look at how pretty the walkway is leaving the hotel to the street. This beautiful and historical basilica is just across the street from the hotel. Nearby the hotel is a Carrefour Express, and I just purchased some pastries and some wine bottles to bring back home. I ate at La Pecan Romana for dinner. I had seafood risotto, and we had complimentary shots from the owner. I got tiramisu gelato for dessert. Yummy!